Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to recall mail in Gmail. First, open your favorite browser. Once your browser is open, log into Gmail. Once you're logged in, you can see that I'm sending this email. After sending the email, you will see a 5 seconds button appear at the bottom left of the screen. This is the undo button. If you click on it, the email you sent will not be sent. Let's see how to increase the time for this. To do this, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. A new window will open. Click on See All Settings in this window. A new window will open. In this window, you can see that it says Send Cancellation Period in 5 seconds. If you click on the arrow next to this, you can increase it to 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Let's say I click on 30. After clicking on it, scroll down to the bottom of the window. You will see the option Save Changes. Click on it. After clicking, page will start refreshing. After refreshing, you can undo email after sending in 30 seconds.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.